Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are taking care of my kitchen. Now I'll tell you all how it looked like. I'll just insert like a few images from when I first did it, and I kind of got bored of it, and because I'm in the process of just changing everything about my house, I thought that I would just change my kitchen as well. And the first thing that gives me the biggest ick in my kitchen was like these black tiles. They didn't look bad, but I don't know, for some reason I never liked them. So a couple days back, me and Anik, I just took Anik's help because I knew I could not do this alone. So I'm so glad that he helped me. So we just changed the white tiling and we put these like stick-on foam white sheets, and from afar they literally do not look bad at all. Like if you go see it very closely, you would see that we have not done it perfectly, but I feel like it made such a big difference, and it was so budget friendly and rental friendly because I feel like it's not possible for me to put in too much money and get the actual tiles changed. So it only made sense for me to just stick something on top, and these were actually from Amazon that I ordered, and initially I did not like them. I was trying to return them, but then they turned out to be pretty good. So you're gonna see the process of us doing that. Apart from the tiling, actually I just changed the placement of my appliances. So I've kept my microwave in like a corner on the corner table, and we have a new fridge, by the way. So this I got a while back, a few months back, but that's pretty much it. Now I need to sort out a few other things. I've gotten a lot of things which are kitchen related, so right now let me quickly first show you all everything that I got from IKEA. There were a few other brands as well that I shopped from, and a few PRs that I received that were kitchenware and all of that. So quickly gonna show you all that, and then we are gonna hopefully try to set up a little bit of my kitchen, like maybe organize a few cabinets and see what else we want to do. But firstly I want to see what exactly I have, all the new things that I've ordered. So yeah, let's get into the haul. I got everything in my room because it's too hot outside, so I'm gonna do the haul here, but this is a lot of stuff, so this is going to be a huge haul. Let's start with it. We are starting with Home Center. I got this a while back, and these are such cute things, and with summer, spring coming in, I think whatever I got is literally perfect. Of course, you guys, we have a pink pan. It is so cute. It's like the perfect pink. I have the same one in like a tinier version, but that is so dirty now, and we finally have a new pan. I'm like so excited. This is what I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna let anyone touch it. And I also got this matching pink pot, which again guys, these are like my dream like cookware. Like literally this is exactly what I thought my kitchen would have. Then we have the cutest like mitten set. I think that's what they're called, but again these are also pink, and I'm also planning to get into like my baking era. Y'all are gonna see a lot of baking related things, so I think this was like needed because I was always using like my kitchen towels to get things out. So this was like a upgrade that was necessary, which is again super cute, super pink. And lastly I have these like yellow table mats which are like reversible. So on this side we have like a stripe print, and the other side is like completely plain and solid. Butter yellow is such a trend, and I'm so glad that I got these because in springtime, I'm telling you, with like a vase in between, cute flower arrangement, and these and my cute pink plates, it's gonna be so pretty. This time I really want to host like my girls, or like just cutesy brunch vibes. So I think these are again super cute. All of this is from Home home center, and again I got these a while back. Now moving on from Nastasia, also we have a couple of things. We have these glass bottles with this kind of a cap, so they are 4 in total. I've already started using 2, and they are like, again, 2 of them I've kept it just because I want to show you guys. Then we have like a glass set. These again are so cute. I love this kind of a texture going on. They are 6 in total, and I felt like I needed cute glasses because I don't have any. I'm always serving people in like my cute mugs, and that's low-key embarrassing because I said I'm gonna be in like my cooking, baking kind of an era. We also have this like s'mores set. Like, it's so cute. I have no idea why I did not take it out during Christmas. I feel so bad. We could have had like strawberries and like, you know, hot chocolate dipped in it, but regardless, this is good for like cozy, you know, like movie nights or something. You can like light up a candle here and then keep your chocolate here, marshmallows and something else. I told you all I'm taking baking seriously, so we have a few little baking dishes, and these are 6 in total. And we have a bigger pink baking dish, and this can be used for like lasagna or maybe like a cake, maybe cookie dough cake or something like that. I have so many recipes in mind, and I can also use it as like a serving dish kind of a thing. I also have these baking dishes, perfect for again like chocolate cake or like pudding cake, like mini cake recipes. I don't think you can bake cupcakes in this. I mean, I can if I want to, but that would be a bigger size. So again, this is a set of 6. I am literally gonna dedicate a full like cabinet for baking related stuff, and I'm so excited because everything is so cute and so like Pinteresty. These jars, these containers, they are perfect for storing, you know, like your granola, oats. That's what I do. I already have 2 of these. Next we have a couple of things from this brand called June Shop. Another serving dish. Now this one is white and plain. We have a cute fruit basket. I am so excited to put this up because every time, like, you know, I get fruits, I just put them in the refrigerator. I don't even know if I'm supposed to or not. I just throw them in the refrigerator and then I completely forget about them. So I needed like a cute space where I can, you know, put them, and then I see them and I remember that like I need to eat fruits. We finally have a new chopping board, and this one is humongous, and I'm so done with my old ones. I think I need to replace them. They look gross now. New set of cutlery, guys. This is so cute, like white and the gold. I'm absolutely loving it. I think this is like a salt and pepper combo. I also got a new salt and pepper thing from this flea market I went to. I'll show you all. Wait, let me get it. Y'all are not ready for it, guys. It's actually so adorable. Like, look at this set. This one has like cupcakes on it, and this just has like toasted bread, and these together look so cute, and they come with like a dish. Yeah, this is the dish, and you can just keep these 2 together. It's adorable. It's literally adorable. Now I have 2 sets, so I'll figure which one to keep where. This is huge. This is like a double dish rack. I am supposed to make it. I'm too lazy to make it right now, but maybe I'll make it later in the night. And there's one more like a storage unit that came from June Shop, and that I'm planning to convert into like a cute matcha bar. We have the last one, which is IKEA, where I went in September. It's almost like February now, January, whatever. And like literally I forgot about all these things, but then I saw this bag of IKEA and I was like, I went to IKEA and I completely forgot about it. So there's a lot more. Wait. Now we're gonna transfer everything outside, and I'm gonna start organizing my cabinets and just like dusting my cabinets and seeing what goes where. I don't think I'll be able to do everything today, but at least we're gonna start with it. This is the cabinet that I'm planning to convert into like my baking cabinet. Right now it just has like a few of my matcha related stuff and some plates which I'm gonna take out, and here I have all of like my baking related stuff, and I don't know how I'm planning to fit all of this inside, but I do have these organizers, so I think they might help. Guys, I've successfully made these racks, but I'm so dumb because why did I only get 2 of these? They are literally not enough. You can also keep them like this, but I'm going to keep them as separates, and I will have to order more of these from IKEA. But for now, let me just like start putting these up. Morning, guys. Last night I actually did not do much for the kitchen, and even my room I just left it as is. I don't know, for some reason I just got tired, so I just had my dinner and then I slept. But we are gonna take care of our kitchen right now. It's I think 8:39 and I'm gonna start with it like just right away. There are a few things and a few more cabinets that I think I can do today as well. Again, I don't know if I'll be able to complete it or not, but at least let's start with it, because kitchen is something that you know, it's something you use daily and it's something that has to be sorted out first. So I don't want to spend more time or waste more time in figuring what I want to do. I just want to act on it. And so yeah, let's just start with it. I was so sleepy this day, but I still decided to take care of like one side of my kitchen. I cleaned all the cabinets and took out so many things which were either expired or things that were literally like stale by this point. So there was a lot of decluttering even in the kitchen that was happening on this particular day. It's a new day and today we are tackling that area, that cabinet. These lights which you can, you know, just like install and they come with like some sticky thingy, and I think I'm gonna put these up right now. And I called for like a wrong type of cells, like this uses those tiny cells, but I called for the big ones, but it's okay. Then I called for the actual ones also. So we're gonna put the batteries in and then I'm just gonna stick them up right now. So this basically opens up and now you can just put the cells in. It's actually really smart, and I know this might seem like a little, but my kitchen does not have those warm lights. I cannot stand white lights, so this is something I should have done long back. I don't know what took me so long, but never mind, we are doing it right now. Guys, I don't think y'all can see the difference, but it is making a difference. That was embarrassing, but it's done now. I really like it. I've put one more actually, and it's on this cabinet. I got this white pantry rack from IKEA and I decided to set it up. I just put like my oven and a few other cute things, my cooking book, salt and pepper set, and there were other things also which I kept in the lower shelves. I do think that it turned out to be so cute. Like I had an inspo in my mind and this turned out to be a little better than that. We have come to West Side and there's a home section here which is so big. I just don't know how to control my spending when it comes to my house. I am back home and let me show you all what all I got because I was so impressed by Westside. I literally got the best of things and it's so affordable. It's not gonna like poke a hole in your pocket. First we have this matcha green cup with this silver kind of a handle. It is so cool girl coded and like I really want to keep this in my matcha bar. Then we have this like bowl with a sunflower kind of a design to it. It's so elegant, it's so pretty. Finally I have a bread container. I wanted this for the longest time. The cutest container. It's like in shape of a lemon. Guys, all of this is so summery. Are you looking at that? Are you looking at this design? It is so adorable. Guys, I think half of these things I don't even want to use. I just want to put them up as decor pieces. We have this like food display cover kind of a thing. Like imagine me baking a mini cake and storing it in this, or cupcakes. Like it's so cute. I'm just gonna now start putting them up here and there. Just gonna figure out where I want to put what. Guys, we are going grocery shopping and we are going to this really huge like place. It's called Food Square and I'm so excited. I need to restock like everything in my kitchen and we're gonna buy essentials, we're gonna buy cute stuff. I don't know what to expect, but again, like my kitchen is ready now. All of the things are done. I just woke up. Can you all see this mark? I have slept so nicely. I woke up quite late, like not my usual time. Also ignore my voice. Last night I got home pretty late and I was not able to sort of put my grocery in place and also not show you all like what I got, but because it's so much, I will show you all that right now. These are two like huge heavy bags, so let me just put them here first. Let me just quickly categorize them, show it to you all, and then start setting it up in my kitchen. Finally, this would be the last step and then we are done. And finally, oh my god, I can't believe it was impossible for me to talk about every single thing because I actually did that in like a reel format. So if you want to check that out, please do. But here I just kept all the things that I got and I just like decided to shoot them like this. Matcha break has been taken. I feel like it just sort of energizes me and I was just not feeling very pumped up because I was already feeling tired and the day has not even started. Like it's 11. We have not even reached midday. So I was like, you know what? I need matcha. Something about it is just so comforting. So I'm gonna have this. guys, the kitchen is ready and finally I'm gonna give you guys a tour and just like tell you all briefly as to what changes I made and how it looks overall. And I just want to take you all like through each and everything which I've like changed in particular and how like I did it, what was my thought process, whatever. Like I'm really excited to just show you all like how it looks fully. So let me just like quickly start with it. I'm gonna start with like my new fridge. Firstly, this is like the biggest change because earlier I had a really tiny one and now we have like a double door fridge, which I'm really happy about. And on top I've just kept like this planter. This is from IKEA, and just like this storage container which has like a few of my food essentials. And we have covered my fridge with all the fridge magnets. So these are all the places that I've been to. These are all the places that I'm yet to go to, so there's a distinction here. And now moving on to my new matcha bar. This is not exactly a matcha bar though. So on top I have all my matcha essentials, but there like in the second drawer I have like a few of my pastas, some like collagen, and all of that is here. And then here I have placed this frame firstly which says Matcha Club. I made this on Canva. And then this is my bread box. Again, I got this from Westside. This matcha colored cup which is also from Westside. And I just placed this like iced matcha candle because this is literally a matcha corner. I just felt like this would go here. And then this side I have my cup holder, and this has all my pretty little cups. And then here I've again kept like this glass vase with some fake tulips. This is my breakfast tray. And on top we have this like light which you just push the button and it turns itself on. And this is perfect when you are, you know, cooking at night and you just want these top lights. These are from Amazon. I will link them in my description. And then here I have like my tissue paper holder. This is from IKEA because I use kitchen towel a lot. Like this roll is used on an everyday basis, so it's nice to have like a holder for it. And then moving on to this cabinet which has all my baking essentials. I just like organized them really nicely. This stand is from IKEA, and then there are like some pink dishes. Okay, now earlier my microwave was here, but I moved it here, and I think this is the best place. This is where it was supposed to be. So my microwave is here. Here are all my water bottles. I just like tell my maid to always fill these up and keep this here, so I like don't forget to drink water. And then this is literally my most like, it's my favorite cabinet. I did this so nicely and I'm so proud of myself. Wait, this has all my glassware and I organized it so beautifully and so neatly, and I'm so happy. I know these jars are like yet to be filled. Don't worry, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna fill these up. But here I have like all my drinking glasses, some wine glasses. I don't even drink wine or anything, but I just have so many of these. And then here I have some microwave dishes. On top I have like a jar, a few other glasses, my cake stand, cupcake stand, whatever you want to call it. And like, yeah, I really like this cabinet and how it turned out to be. This bottom cabinet has some cleaning essentials and you know, everything that is used for storage, cleaning, whatever. And those are all my cleaning supplies. I just like tried to keep them as nicely as possible, but clearly like it's not the best, but I think it works. I think one thing that I just love about my kitchen is this disco ball which I got from IKEA, and I just placed it here because sunlight just like hits this ball, and then my whole like kitchen and living room, it just has this like effect which I'm like, I just love it. It looks so pretty. Now moving on to this side, first we have this fruit basket which looks really sad because there are barely any fruits. I really need to fill this up. And then here I have like my olive oil, my wooden cutting board, and these are like all the utensils. And on top, I think I've not changed much about this particular shelf, but we just have like my plant, we have oats, back there we have granola. These are all like seeds, pumpkin, chia, and these are sesame seeds. And then here I have all my cutlery. Back there I have some sugar. And moving on to this cabinet, which is also my favorite because all my pretty cups and ceramics are in here. I hope you all can see it. So yeah, I just like tried to make sure all my fancy ceramics are here, so they're kept nicely and safe and they don't break, because sometimes like I have so many people come over, so I don't want these to get affected, but they just look so colorful. I'm literally standing on a chair because I can't reach these places. But here I have all my snacks. This is basically like my snack cabinet, and there I have all my cute sippers, my bottles. I don't use them too frequently, but like I have so many of these and I just like hoarding them. It's not the best thing to do, but like I just love this. This one's from Kate Spade, this is from Our Studio, this is from Guess. It came in a PR. And yeah, here I have, like I said, all my snacks. These I recently stocked upon and I'm yet to try these, but yeah, maybe I'll have these right now. I'm super hungry actually. So this one has all my utensils, and these are not organized because these are like big utensils and I don't know how to organize them. And below these I have all my plates. So these I've organized because there's a proper system to it. I've not really done much here, so I'm not gonna go in depth into this. And then I also have a new like dishwashing rack, so everything that's washed is kept here, which is again super organized, super nice, and it's white of course, so I really like that about this one. Coming to this side, it's my new pantry rack, and I hope everyone can see clearly. We have a new toaster, we have Smeg. I wanted this for the longest time. I can't even believe I have this. It looks so pretty, and I just kept like this pink runner. Here I have my cooking book. Like this is a salt and pepper set, which is so cute. I got this from like an exhibition. And then here I have my mini oven. There are my oven mitts. Here I have a few other things. Here I have a few more snacks, and then these are like all my seasonings, and yeah, just a few things I like to use on an everyday basis. Then here I have a few other things. This is my heart-shaped waffle maker, and yeah, all these things are here. I actually really like how this rack turned out to be. And there I have kept like this huge plant. I'm not gonna show you all my dining table just yet. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm not gonna show you all my dining table just yet because I will include it in my living room video, because as of now I've not done it. But I'm so glad that my kitchen is done. Like it looks absolutely stunning and I'm so obsessed with it, and I'm so happy. You know, with all the makeover that I ended up doing in my kitchen, it is so much more elevated, and it's so much more me, like the vibe. You all get it? Like there's white, there's pink, there are pastels, there's like a lot of plants, fake plants. I am not able to, you know, take care of the real ones, but it's okay, it's nice, it's fun. And yeah, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for all the other makeover videos that are yet to come in. This is literally like technically the first one, so there are many more coming in, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.